Well, hello YouTube, this is Blancooroman, and this is bike check. So we're going to start from the top to the bottom. Alright, so we got Burgundy animal rips, we got animal big fours, right here. We got Sunday free stamp, do not buy this stuff. Got it like 2 weeks, did a Barcelona for 3. I got a big ass crack that I'll show you at the end of the video. Moving on, we got an animal headset that's pretty good. You know, I was using this headset for maybe like a couple of months. Good, strong. We have a Sunday fork. Moving down to the rear, we have a FAF fit tire. I don't want spokes, but I don't know. We got Demolition golden chrome rim with a Demolition red chrome in the front. Moving to the middle, we have a cold BadBoy frame, 21 inches. It was raw until fucking rain hit it, and then it turned bronze. Nice. Well, moving on, we have a shadow seat, FatBoy seat, shadow, animal seat post. We have animal akimbos here, akimbos. We have animal Sporket 23 teeth. We have fresh Odyssey see-through pedals. Moving to the back, we have I think it's an Eastern fucking rim. It is shit. I broke it. I'll show you at that too. I broke that. The rim is horrible. I have some random left side drive hub. Pretty good actually. I'm surprised. I broke my profile doing an ice pick on LES rail. This is actually holding up. Anyways, we have an FAF tire with I think an Eastern rim with a bi-reactional, whatever the fuck that is, but left side drive. That's my bike check. Yeah, I'll show you my thing. Yeah, hey guys, so this is where the stem I was talking about, the crack. Right there. Pretty big crack. First crack, it wasn't this big, now I can actually feel it. See it. And my back, my Eastern, not ever buy Eastern rim. I mean, I got it because it was a left side drive and I got it for free, so whatever. And that's the crack right there. Alright, now here's some clips.